Welcome to Lesson 16 of our Introduction to ChatGPT course. In this lesson, we'll be discussing examples of businesses and organizations that are using ChatGPT for language translation. Think of it as a showcase of ChatGPT's language translation skills, with a touch of technology humor. ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can be used for a wide range of language translation tasks, from website localization to subtitle generation. Let's take a look at some examples of businesses and organizations that are using ChatGPT for language translation. One popular use of ChatGPT for language translation is in the software industry. Many software companies are using ChatGPT to translate their user interfaces and documentation into multiple languages. Another popular use of ChatGPT for language translation is in the media industry. Many media companies are using ChatGPT to translate subtitles for movies and TV shows, as well as to translate news articles and social media posts. ChatGPT is also being used in the e-commerce industry. Many e-commerce companies are using ChatGPT to translate product descriptions and customer reviews into multiple languages. As you can see, ChatGPT is being used for a wide range of language translation tasks. So, whether you're a software company, a media company, or an e-commerce company, ChatGPT can help you to expand your reach to a multilingual audience and let you focus on more important things, like figuring out how to make a translator robot that can also make coffee. Let's discuss tips and best practices for using ChatGPT for language translation. Think of it as a guide for language translation success with ChatGPT, with a dash of technology humor. ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can provide a number of benefits for language translation, but to get the most out of it, it's important to follow some best practices. The first tip is to choose the right pre-trained model. ChatGPT offers a variety of pre-trained models for language translation, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. It's important to choose a model that best fits the languages and use case you have in mind. The next tip is to fine-tune the model for your specific use case. This process involves training the model on a parallel corpus of text in the source and target languages. This allows ChatGPT to understand the structure and meaning of text in the source language and generate text in the target language. It's also important to test the model with native speakers of the target language before deploying it. This will help you to identify any areas that need improvement before deploying it for use in real-world situations. Another tip is to continuously monitor the performance of your ChatGPT-based translator and make adjustments as needed. Keep the model up to date and fine-tune it as necessary to ensure that it continues to provide high-quality translations. In summary, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can provide a number of benefits for language translation. By following these tips and best practices, you can ensure that you are getting the most out of ChatGPT in your language translation operations. And who knows, maybe one day, you'll be able to train ChatGPT to translate different languages but also different accents.